Welcome back. In this video we will delete image from database and also from images directory. Okay, so here I want to add here, let's say here, let's say on click event is equal to on click is equal to delete img. Here we will first $r id. So copy this one, and now you create a function delete img, uh, pass here id. Sorry, delete img. Okay, alert id ed. Sorry for that. So now try save this page. Okay, now click on image, 2 id, 3 id, 4 id. Let's okay. So now I want to send this id through ajax request. So ajax request, and now I want to, and here type post url ajax.php my form delete data. We will send data id. So this id will become here, and after we assign this id to this variable, okay, because we will send data in JSON format. So success, and this condition will call this one. Okay, so now function delete img, scroll down, global dbf set $post id and set $get my form and my form is equal to delete. Yes, delete. Then pick the id, post id, and now run the query here, $db prepare delete from file where id is equal to this question mark, and after query execute array this id, where is id, this id. Okay, then f, sorry, so I want also to mm, edit. Okay, now copy this one, copy. Okay, now go to index and target the success background spring green color white display block. Mm, mm, text align center. Let's try. Go, 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 go. Sorry, we don't have any images yet. Okay, but still we have images and folder. Here you can see. So now I want to also remove images from the directory. Okay, so in the next video we will delete images from the directory, from the folder directory. Okay, so this was very easy. This was very easy video. Here we just pass the on click event, and here we call the function delete img, and here we pass the id. Okay, so here we have the method right down here, delete img, and here we get the id, and here we send the ejection request, and we send the specific id, this id. Here you can see this id, and here in this method right down here we set we check the id. If this id is set, then pick the id and delete from the file table where id is equal to this id. Okay, so now id is removed successfully. And the next video we will also remove image from uh, folder directory. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.